This is not normal Moringa juice. This is scientifically fermented Moringa juice. In this video, I'll show you what happens when Moringa is fermented under laboratory control and why the results shocked even scientists. Most people ferment Moringa randomly at home, but uncontrolled fermentation can destroy nutrients and grow harmful bacteria. So I decided to ferment Moringa juice the same way food scientists do in laboratories. This is called controlled fermentation. It means we control every factor: hygiene, temperature, bacteria, and time, so only beneficial probiotics grow. First, I collected fresh Moringa leaves. Young, green leaves give the best fermentation results. Leaves were washed thoroughly to remove dust and harmful microbes. Clean raw material is the foundation of safe fermentation. The leaves were blended and filtered to obtain pure Moringa juice, the perfect medium for probiotic bacteria. Then I pasteurized the juice at 90 degrees Celsius for 1 minute. This kills harmful microbes but preserves nutrients, just like in food industries. Under aseptic laboratory conditions, I added proven probiotic strains of lactic acid bacteria. This ensures only beneficial bacteria grow, not random microbes. I added 2% sucrose to feed the probiotics. The juice was sealed in sterile mason jars and fermented under controlled conditions for several days. During fermentation, we monitored pH, total soluble solids, probiotic cell count. pH decreased, meaning harmful microbes cannot survive. Sugar decreased, meaning bacteria are working. Acidity increased, a sign of healthy fermentation. Here is the shocking part. Anti-nutrients like phytic acid and tannins were reduced, but antioxidant power actually increased. Fermentation doesn't weaken Moringa, it unlocks it. Carbohydrates decreased because probiotics use them as fuel. This means the drink becomes lighter, easier to digest, and more functional. Why fermented Moringa is superior? Raw juice, harder to digest, anti-nutrients present, no probiotics, fermented juice, easy absorption, anti-nutrients reduced, rich in live probiotics. Properly fermented juice smells mildly sour, not rotten. If it smells bad or grows fungus, never consume it. In my next video, I'll compare traditional and controlled fermentation side by side. Subscribe if you want science-based functional food content, not internet myths.